Okay guys, so we are at McDonald's waiting for the... You want water, right? So I got a caramel latte. Heidi got a chocolate latte. Frappuccino. And it's so different than our McDonald's because as you guys can see, okay, so this is the ice creams.
I'm really thirsty.
They barely put any in.
I'm really thirsty.
It's so tiny. Yeah, drink.
Can you hold it for a second?
This is the ice cream for Zidane and Zach. Okay guys, so they have this at McDonald's. We don't have this at McDonald's. So this is nice to see. And I got my coffee. How's your ice cream? So tiny, right?
Yeah.
Compared to the one in Canada, it's pretty tiny, right? This is 10 times better than the one we have in Toronto.
I never really.
10 times better.
I never really chew a lot of
It doesn't taste like McDonald's iced coffee. It tastes like
Can I try?
more like Starbucks.
I never really tried the ice cream from
What do you mean you
where
never?
we live, like where we live. I never really tried the ice, the vanilla ice cream. No way. I always get the McFlurry. Yeah. So like I don't really like when you all were shocked for like the comparison. I was like, oh, okay.
Oh yeah, the comparison is crazy. Like they put the tiny thing, right? That's coffee.
I like coffee.
But it's so small, Hadil. Did you order a small? Or there wasn't choices? So small.
Okay, let's go back.
Let's go get another one. Okay, we'll go get another one.
Good.
Okay guys, I got my second latte. And Heidi got her chocolate frappuccino.
No whipped cream.
How was your food, baby? Good? Sit down, how was your food?
Was it on? You also got food?
Zach, how was your water? That looks good. Which one's better? This one or Canada's? This one?
But the noodles are different.
These are Shanghai noodles.
Oh, there's two kinds.
Ah.
Wait, what? What is this?
The noodles are different. These are thicker noodles. The one that we get is the skinny noodles. But it's
What is
good,
this
right?
store called?
Enjoy. 3, 2, 1, cheese! Okay, guys, we'll see you. See you. Okay, so they're gonna go ride the Storm roller coaster.
Hypertension or high blood pressure na have, so no health issues, great. So for your lost items, you put inside the lockers. We have lockers provided inside. Let's make sure that you have nothing in your package.
Oh yeah, is that it's for Zach's age?
And for your sleepers also, we have sure rack inside. Wait, but before we go to ride, we have also 10 minutes to Thank you so much and enjoy your ride.
Okay, guys, enjoy. Hopefully, I'm not gonna hear you screaming. I'm gonna tell you who's gonna scream the most. Yes, let's go up this hill. Okay, guys, here they are. Zach is doing it too. Okay, I don't know why my heart is beating so hard. I'm just worried about Zach. I feel like he's too young for it. Oh, they want to be together. Ah, okay. There's Zidane and Zach. Heidi and Hadil. guys, here they are. Oh, Zach, please put it well. Oh, good job, Zidane. He secured his brother first. Here they are. Oh my gosh, I hope they're gonna be fine. I hope they're gonna be fine. Oh my gosh. I have no idea why they like this type of. Where did they go? Oh, here they are. Here they are. Okay, I'm getting a heart attack, guys. Oh my gosh. I have no idea why did I say Zach could do it. Oh, here they are. Finally. Okay guys, how was it?
It's so fun. And we went upside down twice. That was so fun.
Zach, was it hard? Yeah? You did it! Wow, Zach! You did it, man!
Yeah.
You're amazing! You're so brave! Was it scary? Was it scary?
Not really.
Not really? You did so good! Wow! Go, Zachy! Woohoo! Whee! Oh. Good job, Zach! You okay? You enjoy? No way! Are you okay though? Yeah, awesome. Okay, it's Dan's turn, guys. Let's see if he's gonna scream. Go Z.
Bring the donut, please. Bring the donut. Bring the donut.
Okay, Heidi, here comes Heidi, guys. For real? Are you okay?
Bring the donut.
You flipped.
What happened to you? Leave it. Heidi.
How do you feel?
Good.
This way, Heidi. This way.
Did you get hurt? Your neck?
Yeah.
Yeah?
I landed like this.
Should have pulled yourself tighter.
I thought I was gonna flip
That was
over.
fun?
I got stuck under it.
That was fun? Okay, let's go to another game.
It looks much.
Okay guys, we are going back to the hotel. And we're gonna end this video. You guys had fun today? Yeah, it was so much fun.
Yes, we have fun.
Awesome. Okay guys. Bye guys. We hope you enjoyed this video.
Don't forget to put this video like, subscribe, and
Bye. See ya.